Hey YouTube, let's learn how to play this song, Real Love by Big Thief. This is kind of like a solo arrangement of it. Um, we're not going to use the capo, we're not going to do any weird tunings, it's just standard tuning. Okay, so let me play through a verse and then I'll teach it to you how to play it. The first verse is different from the second two verses. Having a bad week. Let me touch your cheek. Always love you. Having your face hit. Having your lips split. One who loves you. Real love, real love, real love is a heart attack. All right, so that's like the first part of the song, and it starts out with a D power chord, goes to E, F. E's not really in the key of this song, so that's why it sounds so funky. That's where she's like having a bad week, and then it goes A minor, G, C. You can play it in bar chords too. And then the final part is that I will always love you. It's love you. It's C, A minor, G, F. Then we go F, C. Real love makes your lungs black. So after the third C, then you go A minor, turn black, A minor on turn, and then it ends on F. And then she sings, real love is a heart attack. We had that before. That's the C, A minor, G, F. Okay, and then they have a little instrumental section, and that is it's A minor, C, C 3 times, A minor, F. The only other two sections are where she goes, oh mama, C, it's a F to C, then B flat to F. We have this other section. How much blood is worth the drug? How much blood is worth the drug? So that is A minor, G, F, C. I wanted to show is that the first verse, as I said, is different from the second and third verses. And here's the second and third verses are actually shorter. In the first verse, it was going. Now it's just going. So instead of 4 chords, you just have 2 chords in the second at those points in the second and third verses. Looking up to her, watching her do her makeup and hair. So those verses are much shorter because they just go A minor F at the end of each phrase. They're playing out of the D minor or F major scales. There's that little bend. You're just playing the B string at 5, and you're bending the G string at 7. Play at the 10th fret, and I'm just playing out of the 5th. You get a D here. Play at the 10th, you get a D on the low E string. The full scale. They're not just playing pentatonic, so there's some outside notes. Thanks for watching. Have fun playing it.